Hi everyone and welcome back to the Devil Chef. I am Bisque and today I'll show you how to make oven roasted bell pepper and tomato bisque. So it's very simple. What you see in front are tomatoes, onion and red bell peppers. It's roughly chopped and we'll add a few cloves of garlic because garlic is required. It's a good flavor for soup. And some dried herbs. We are going to roast it in the oven at 180 degrees for roughly 15 to 18 minutes. So you'll add the olive oil, just drizzle, so that it doesn't stick to the base of the tray. Just mix it lightly, and mind you, you don't need a very hi-fi oven at your home. You can do it in a simple OTG, but OTG is good. They are relatively cheap. You can get one for less than 5,000 rupees in the market. So there we go, and we'll roast it in the oven. So there we have these roasted vegetables. Now we'll have to blend them in a mixie, adding little water and blending them, and then we'll strain it. So we have it on the sieve. We'll have to strain it. So there we have the bisque. Now just need to season it with salt and white pepper. Let it come to a boil, then we'll finish it. Now that the bisque has come to a boil, I've lowered the heat, and now for the final phase, the finishing of the bisque. Little honey, and cream, fresh cream. And some chopped basil. You have to check the seasoning. The soup, rather the bisque, will taste of tomatoes, and it will contain a certain tanginess of the red bell pepper, along with the creaminess of the cream and little sweetness from the honey. A little bit spiciness from white pepper. If you want, you can add paprika, sweet paprika, smoked paprika, your wish, or Tabasco. And this is your soup. Your bisque is ready. Turn off the flame and we'll serve.